Hello everyone, so today I will introduce some installation methods of Zinc loyal nameplates for you. Zinc loyal nameplates have strong metal texture, strong three-dimensional effect, high-end and changeable styles. The common installation have with double tap behind. To double tap you can choose 3M, Tesla, Korea or Japan. Also have leg behind. This one have 4 holes. You can use nails or coils. Also you can choose with nails behind. This one just have 1 hole. You can use chains. Also, behind it on the cat with square. Also, you can use clips behind with butterfly. And the hand number have 2 steps. One is movable, others in negative back. Okay, today is that all. If you have any inquiry, just feel free.